Hey, number. That's annoying. Is it working? Is it alive? It is alive. Stupid internet messed me up again. Hello, Aidenlib. Hello, Hungry Cloud. Hello, Mr. Human. Ignore that. Don't look at it. There we go. It stopped because my internet disconnected my computer. Like, full on. It just didn't want to work. Recursiveness. Wonder why it changes this many layers in. Oh wait, that's because I did the theater mode. Okay, well, back to it. Tool settings. No, not that. Here we go. So anyways, what I was doing was saying how I should change sprites scrapped to sprites old. Resprite. I don't know. Literally everything else will be in, so it's just old, period. So I'm going to need to get this. Copy, file, new, okay, paste. Can I add a frame? I can. Okay, so. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna turn my mic off for a second. Okay, so this is just. Is there onion skinning? Where's onion skinning? A sprite onion skin docs onion skinning. So that's going to be edit view. Or not, I guess. Doesn't matter. ILG. That's gonna be annoying. So paste thing, cell, full. I need the full. Where is that? File open. Units. Basic. That's still in blocks. Units. Mice, for example, full.png. Copy this. Paste it here. IG. File, save as. Units, core. PG. Period. Oh no, that's not what I want to do. I want to do I wanted to take, what is this? No. Sprites, units, core, period, and why is this at the end? Oh, it's because this is D and it's got the same name. Okay, that makes sense. Control X, now sets sprites old, paste, and bam, now there's no overwriting. Save this period. Information for files. Sure. So now, core, period, cell, period display, and period full. There we go. And I'm gonna get rid of that, so sprites old, kerplunk, get kerplunked. Yes, Nick, I am back, hopefully for longer than 5 seconds. Don't save, because I got it saved. Right there. I think this looks much better. I'm gonna copy that and paste in the Mindustry Discord right now. Modding, spriting. Ah, yeah, that. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, that was also 3 hours ago, so that's. No. First time back spriting. I think that looks pretty good. Let's see what Arias thinks of it. What's he gonna say? Nothing. Alright. OBS. Yes, it is called period. Because the rest of the core units followed the theme of like periods of time, I guess. Period, moment, dusk, dawn, or dawn and then dusk. Isn't dusk before dawn? Hold on. Which is dusk and dawn. Dawn is in the morning. Dusk is at night, so dawn is first. Dawn. Dawn is morning. Yes. I'm renaming these eventually, so because these names kind of suck. Up next, I will resprite this core, but I'm not changing the name of it because Cradle is decent as a name. Don't know why that's still open. Close that. Cool. So I can get rid of this guy. And kabam. Nice. There we go. Okay. Back to what happens to the walls. These, when I was, selecting stuff over here, it was mirrored. I was selecting stuff to delete. I selected something like there, and it moves it because it's mirrored. Instead of doing this here, what is this from? Hopefully nothing important. Mirroring moment, yep. I'd say that fits pretty decently. Maybe slightly on the large side, but that's not a big deal. What I'm gonna do with this. Kabam. It does fit. I mean, technically the only requirement is that it's smaller than the core itself, and the core is as big as 4x4 of these tiles, so it fits. Center that. Scaled perfectly, I agree. I think that is the best way for that to look. Okay. Do I go with this? First of all, groove never ends. If you are referring to the music, then yes, it does not end. I have it on to loop forever. Because it's, 10 minutes of the exact same thing, because I didn't know what else to put. I just closed it. Give me a second. Desktop. Videos. Well, I could. Where's the stuff where I exported my music projects? Let's see how horrible this sounds. Everybody's favorite. That's not what we're here for, though. No, no, no. Which one was this? No. You jinxed it. The groove ended. The groove did end. The endless ended. Back over here. UEFN, music. Blah blah. What do I have that I can put in the background? Everyone, behold my glorious collection of pirated music. How about this one? What do you guys think of this? Well, this is what the other one was supposed to be, by the way. Yeah, Tunneler does usually have really good soundtracks. Upbeat. Which one is it? Short distance test. What that is. Short distance test is just more of the upbeat type of thing, if that's what you guys think would be best. So I'm gonna stick this over here. Actually, I can stick it right there behind it. That's not too loud, is it? No, that should be fine. Chiller, indeed. No, not that button. Kabam. I don't know what I'm doing with this. What is going on? Copy, paste. It should be that. Alright. Yeah, this looks way better than what it used to be. I didn't set it to loop. Although, while I have messing around with music, I might as well see if there's any other stuff. Which one is? Nope, not. No. I do really like this one, but it's not really. Well, you'll see in about. You'll see what I mean when it gets to about here. It changes somewhat dramatically, as does the non-beta version of Momentum, which is what has been playing, which I personally really enjoy, but I haven't done an extended version of anything except for the normal version of Momentum. Okay, focusing on the core. What am I doing with this? Where's the other one? I am not sure what to do with this. This doesn't fit, but I'm not sure what to do to change that. No, that's not gonna look good. I don't think there's really anything I could do to change this. I'm gonna look at the vanilla cores for a second. Desktop, Mindustry things, Mindustry source, Mindustry core, assets raw, sprites, blocks, storage, and two perfect for updates, maybe, but I'm not entirely satisfied with how that looks. Wait a minute. Hollow Knight. Dev's excuse when asked about Silk Song. Maybe. I'm not familiar with Hollow Knight, so I couldn't add commentary to that. Maybe what I'm missing is I don't know. I don't know why I don't like how this looks. What am I doing with this? Maybe I should just try again with a block. Squares in each corner to cells. I could. I don't know about that. Actually, hang on. Let's see if I can. See how it looks with this. What do we think about that? Let's see. Is my internet having issues again? That's not what I want to be saying. Can you elaborate on flip the cell direction? Do you mean... Well, now I don't have any of the... You mean do something like that? So it's like going in. Because right now this is light color, point inwards. Trying to do some mental imagining. What if I did that? No. Light color, point inwards. No, you're fine, don't worry. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to say like the sides. Do you mean like these sides? Like in all the cardinal directions? Square colors pointed towards the core, like sides. So something more like this. Kind of like there's one light in the middle. Make the square colors point towards the core, like the sides. So like this, I'm assuming, is what you mean. Yes, okay. Yeah, I think this might be what I go with, depending on how it looks when I... Oh, dang, I don't want to do this manually. This is gonna suck.